Since 2005, SensoQuest has been manufacturing high-quality thermocyclers. With our in-house production and expertise, we create precise and innovative devices tailored for laboratories around the world. The LabCycler Pro combines modern design with an intuitive interface that simplifies every interaction. Its high-resolution 7-inch touchscreen, boasting 1280 by 800 pixels, provides crystal-clear visuals for flawless navigation and programming. Whether you're designing new protocols or adjusting existing ones, the LabCycler Pro ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. The LabCycler Pro offers 1 GB of internal storage, enabling you to save, edit, and back up an unlimited number of protocols with ease. Its USB interface simplifies transferring and restoring programs, while the extensive program history lets you track changes, refine workflows, and undo modifications as needed. This ensures your system is always ready to handle any task efficiently. The LabCycler Pro features a unique interchangeable block system. With just one simple motion, you can switch between blocks to meet your specific requirements. 48 well, 96 well, silver or aluminum, 384 well, triple block, or in situ block. This versatility allows you to handle a wide range of applications, making the LabCycler Pro an essential tool for laboratories of all kinds. The LabCycler Pro makes sure help is always at your fingertips. Its integrated help function provides clear, step-by-step instructions directly on the touchscreen. Whether you need guidance on setting up a protocol or troubleshooting an issue, the LabCycler Pro ensures you're never left guessing. Built for long-term performance, the LabCycler Pro is a durable and reliable partner for your lab. With regular software updates via USB, your system will stay optimized for years to come. SensoQuest is committed to continuous innovation, and the LabCycler Pro will be enhanced over time with exciting new features, including graphical programming, Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity, cloud integration, and mobile control. Stay ahead with a device designed to grow with your needs. The LabCycler Pro by SensoQuest is more than a thermocycler. It's a comprehensive solution for your laboratory's needs. Designed with precision and flexibility at its core, it adapts seamlessly to any workflow. With features tailored for efficiency today and exciting updates planned for tomorrow, the LabCycler Pro is your trusted partner for consistent, high-quality results. Choose SensoQuest, where innovation meets reliability. Learn more about the LabCycler and our range of thermal blocks at sensoquest.de and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.